In the modern industry field, as a widely used fastening element, the importance of stable pins is self-evident. Located in Dengzhou City, Hubei Province, China's Bolding Yongwei Industrial Group was built in 1990. It has been deeply involved in this industry for more than 30 years, with 5 branches, ranging from workshops to factories, then to automatic production. Because of its original dream and persistence, this private group enterprise, which mainly produces metal products and evolves galvanized iron wire mesh, staple pins, welding rods, fasteners and other hardware series products, has continued to grow and develop, and has now become a major player in the hardware products industry, the leader in the industry, covering an area of more than 25,000 square meters with more than 120 employees. The annual production capacity of galvanized iron wire is 60,000 tonners, and the annual output of stable is 12,000 tonners. It has become a leading manufacturer in the stable industry. SXJ stable expertise and dedication to quality are the keys to our success. State-of-the-art production technology and equipment are used to ensure products meet the highest quality standards. We are one of the few manufacturers in China who produce from raw materials to finished products. We have the most complete assembly lines, from raw materials steel wire rod to galvanizing iron wire to cloth glue and staple making. First-class machines and the most experienced engineers are the basis of our quality assurance. As a staple pin factory with a long history, we know that the stability of raw materials has a huge impact on the quality of finished products. We use Q235, the hardest material, 30-meter-long galvanizing process, the latest integrated drawing and flattening technology, and Domestic, the only company with 500 kg large shaft technology, ensures stable quality of finished nails, tensile strength, rust-proof duration, and no jamming problem during use. We specialize in all stable specifications, including F series, T series, ST series, 100 series, 90 series, 92 series, 80 series, 84 series, 14 series, 71 series, Hawk Ring, 10G series, 10F series, 13 series, etc. With all sofas, furniture, decorations, upholstery staples, as well as drywall screws, chipboard screws and other fastener series. Quality is life is the operation philosophy in the bones of SXJ Stable Company Limited. Perfect quality and excellent service are our unchanged original intention. The products are exported to more than 50 countries around the world, including Europe, South America, Latin America, the Middle East, and Australia, and are well received by customers from all over the world. We welcome customers from all over the world to negotiate and cooperate with us. We will definitely make your trip worthwhile.